Hey guys, this is Lily's Touch once again. I am going to be showing you guys how to bleach knot your 613 wig using Clear Roll 6G light golden brown. Pay close attention. I actually used this color twice already, so you don't need to use the whole bottle if you are doing a lace frontal bleach knot. So pay close attention to how I'm mixing. I don't use all of it so I won't waste it, because you can actually use it several times. Okay, so now let's be very careful during this process. We do not want the cream to run through too much on the other side, because we do not want the color to go on the strands, but we only want it on the knots. So let's be very careful so that it could be a very clean process. So now go ahead and check to see if you have any strands of hair on the color so you could take it off. And if there are strands with color, you can actually rub your fingers with water and rub it on the strands and it will come right off. So now I'm going to let this sit. You could already see the change, the transformation taking place right before your eyes. You see that? I'm actually going to let my camera keep rolling because I want you guys to see the transformation of the bleach knot on the 613 wig. So pay close attention. Yes, I love how it's looking. I'm going to go ahead and wash it off right now. OMG, I am in love. In love, I love it. You guys see the difference? I'm going to go ahead and put a video of the wig before and a video of it after right next to each other so you guys can see. Look how natural this color look on the left versus the right. It's beautiful, guys. It is so beautiful. One important thing I forgot to mention, I used the blue shampoo and conditioner, so I could have toned the knots a little bit more because it was looking too orange. So it turned out pretty good. Make sure you guys do not skip that step. So that's all I had to show you guys. I hope you guys learned a lot from this clip. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video, please, and see you guys again next time.